What's up po mga ka-idol? Nandito naman tayo sa aking channel, Jonas Soily Vlog. So ngayon ay mag-i-install pala tayo ng B8 sounds card. So dito na po yung B8 ko, dumating na po. So nabuksan ko na yan. Ito, meron siyang ganyan. Hindi ko po alam kung ano. Siguro, susubukan lang natin kasi first time ko pong nagkaroon ng ganito. Okay mga idol, ito may binigyan din ako ng socket na dito sa phone. Yan. So pasensya na po mga idol, magulo yung sa kwarto kasi ang liit lang kasi ng space yan. Dito lang sa kwarto ko lang ilalagay. Magsisit up ako ngayon. Sige, samahan niyo ako mag-sit up. Okay, let's go mga. So yan po mga lods, na-install na po natin. So, naligo muna ako kasi wala pa akong ligo kanina. So, ito na po yung setup po natin. Na-setup na natin. Saka yung B8 natin ito. Saka ito po yung itong sa line 1 po yan. Yung line 1, ito po isaksak natin yung cellphone na magre-record tayo. Tapos yung isa yung Academy company instrument sa cellphone yan. So ngayon mga idol, susubukan natin na mag-record kung gagana ba siya yung record. So pasensya na po kayo sa boses ko. Sa pagkanta hindi po talaga ako sanay magkanta, hindi naman talaga maganda ang boses ko. Subukan lang natin na sa katagalan din na makinig kayo, masanay dito sa boses ko. Legit pa tong B8, B8 sounds card ito. Okay, let's go mga ka-idol, subukan na natin. Okay, let's go.
Take me as you are, both way of the road. Sadness, I need this time to be with you. And pressing in the sun and boarding in the rain. Silence, I'm screaming, calling out your name. And I don't reside in your life. Pour out a fire with me and fight. Yeah, you lose the side of your circle. That's what I'll do if we say goodbye. To be is all I gotta be. And all that I see, and all that I need is time. To me, the life you give me, the day you say goodnight. Promise in your face that I see through the night. Warm up, your light is pressing onto us. You didn't ask me why, I never hold up now. Oblivion falling down. I don't reside in your life. Pour out a fire with me and find. Yeah, you lose the side of your circle. That's what I'll do if we say goodbye. To be is all I gotta be. I know that I see, I know that I need. the day you said goodnight. If you wanna know me like you prayed at night, then everything between you and me will be alright. To me, it's all I gotta be, and all that I see, and all that I need is time. To me, the life you gave me, the day you said goodnight. She's already taken. She's already taken. She's already taken me. She's already taken. She's already taken me. They said goodnight.
Okay, thank you po mga ka-idol.
At ayan na po mga ka-idol, narinig po natin ng ating sounds record. Napaka legit pala ng sounds card na beat na to. Hanggang dito lang po siguro tayo. Sa hindi pa nakapag-subscribe sa akin, mag-subscribe na at pindutin ang notification bell para update kayo sa susunod na video man.